All right, good Thursday afternoon, everyone. It's Eric here with a quick weather update for you on what is just a stifling day. Now, the temperature is not 90, but it feels like 90. I'm going to show you those values in just a sec. It's the humidity today. Sky high. One of the most uncomfortable humid days of the summer so far. Just some fair weather cumulus clouds in in Youngstown and in Niles for us this afternoon. Temperatures are in the 80s. Here's a look at the dew points, though. Dew points are in the 70s in a lot of places. It feels like we're in Miami in a lot of the region this afternoon. Lots of heat, lots of humidity, and that combines to make the heat index in the upper 80s to around 90 or so. It even feels like 93 to 95 in parts of Mahoning County. All right, no thunderstorms right now. We're starting to see a couple forming off the lake just south of Cleveland, starting to drift south and east. We're going to have to keep an eye on Storm Tracker 21 for the rest of the afternoon because there is the possibility of a couple of passing storms as we head through the mid-afternoon. Here's our high-res futurecast in a couple of hours showing some hit-or-miss storms. These will not have the coverage nor the intensity of last evening's activity, so not concerned about severe weather with these, but sure, there could be a downpour and some lightning and thunder for a brief time. Then as we go into the wee hours of Friday morning, some showers and storms approaching again from the west, and Friday could turn a little unsettled. Now, it's not a rainy day, it's not a washout on Friday. As you can see, we're in the slight risk zone for severe weather, though, and that basically means that we have the chance, especially in the afternoon and early evening, of storms turning strong to perhaps severe with hail and damaging winds possibility. So even though we might see some rain Friday morning, the severe weather threat is later in the afternoon into the evening. So make sure you're staying up to date on the latest forecast. You know I'm going to have you covered on social media and on WFMJ.com/weather as well. And this evening on Weather for Weather Geeks, we'll take a more in-depth look at tomorrow's threat. The threat for a couple of raindrops at the start of the weekend, but overall I think you're going to like the weekend forecast. And then we've got some heat to talk about once again as we head towards mid-month. The signals are growing stronger that the middle of July is looking pretty darn hot, even compared to the averages. Of course, the middle of July is supposed to be hot, but even hotter than usual, I should say. So that's on Weather Geeks this evening. I'll see you then, and I'll see you tonight on 21 News at 6 and 11.